super colorful. It looked like I have heart chicken pox. Promise they're not contagious. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day, part of my 14 days of love. So today's look was not what I was planning on filming when I sat down today. I really like a lot of pieces of this look, but I don't know if I like them all together. I'm gonna call this messy love here. That's what this is called, messy love. Sometimes messy love can inspire you. I am bringing you guys this look in hopes that it'll give you some inspiration, some colorful vibes here, and I really like the way the eyes came out. So, with that being said, I hope you guys like this look and get some inspiration from it. I think I said that 5 times, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, we're starting off with the Carity 21 color matte palette. I'm just using the dark purple in the outer crease and the outer, just the full outer part of my eye. I started off with kind of like an ombre eye, if you will. I think that's kind of how it ended up. I don't know why I'm all the way on the right side, but left side in real life, but right side in camera, but you know what I mean. So these are the 3 colors that I used. I used the dark purple from the Carity 21 color matte palette. Then the middle color is a Makeup Forever shadow, which is in the description. Make sure to check that out. It's like M5 something. And then I used this light purple shadow from the MAC Nico Panda collection. I decided to blend and buff out the brow bone area with a little bit of pink. I really wanted this to be a super light pink. I didn't want it to come out super hot pink because I really wanted to focus on the purple. So I took my time with that. I'm just adding a little more purple to this just to make sure that it's super opaque. I'm using the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner, but before I did that, I went ahead and used this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, which you'll see me use again a little bit later, just to draw out this little kind of cut crease kind of thing here. I really didn't know what I was going for, but I was just kind of trying to make it work. The pencil was a little hard to get to draw, so I definitely recommend like a liquid liner. I think that'll work 100 times better, but I'm just using this to kind of give me the shape. And I mixed my Hydra liner with some pink eyeshadow from the Carity palette. That's how it came out pink like this. So I'm just using a really thin brush to draw on that half cut crease. So we're not actually cutting the whole crease, we're just putting in some like decorative eyeliner. I topped it off with this glitter liner from Urban Decay. The Hydra liner is activated by water, so this kind of did activate it, like reactivate it a tiny bit. So I was just really careful with it on top. I then applied that same Hydra liner mixed with pink eyeshadow in the outer corners. Kind of doing some fun stuff with liner in this video, if you know what I mean. And I'm just going to do that. And then I also topped that off with some of that glitter liner from Urban Decay as well. So I'm just kind of patting it on, not really touching the liner that much because I didn't want to make it come off. I'm putting mascara on. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and then I popped on some Tarte lashes, I believe those were. And then I'm priming my face with the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminating Primer, and then using the Illuminating Blur Stick from Milk Makeup to fill in all the pores. And for foundation, I'm using the Air Flash foundation in the color 200 from Dior. Love this foundation. It was actually a pretty good match until I put on my concealer, which was ridiculously light. But this is the Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to blend that all over my entire face. And then I'm going to set everything with my Huda Beauty baking powder. Bake, 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 bake. Bake your face. Bake it.
So I baked my whole face with that powder, and then I'm using the Sweetie Pie bronzer from Too Faced, just to kind of give me a little bit of bronze. You'll see later on in the video that we did add some stuff to the cheeks. So it's totally up to you if you are going to try this look out, if you wanted to add bronzer or not, but I kind of always do just cause. So I also added some blush, which is the Wanderlust blush from Buxom. I added the shadows and mascara to the bottom lashes, and then I'm adding that same Makeup Forever pink artist color pencil to the waterline. I'm gonna set everything with the Glow Mist from Pixi, and I'm gonna really put a lot of this on for the next couple of steps because I really want this highlighter to be obnoxious. So I'm jumping into this Huda Beauty Winter Highlight Palette. I'm starting off with the pink highlighter, and then I'm using this Pop Beauty highlighter, Prism highlighter, and I'm using this just right on top in the inner corners and the brow bone, the nose, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, everything, girl. And then for lips, I'm using this Buxom lip liner, and I'm gonna fill it in with this beautiful metallic lipstick from Huda. And you'll see I did change it a tiny bit later on in the video. I just ombreed a little bit. I used a little bit of purple shadow and purple lip pencil to ombre the lip a little bit so it went with the eyes more. I did add some glitter because it's the glitter queen here. I had to add glitter, guys. I mean, come on. Come on. That's why we call it the messy love look. So I added a bunch of glitters, some from Lit Cosmetics, some craft glitter, and then I decided to take some lash glue, just some clear lash glue, and these cute little hearts that I just had in a little bag. If you guys didn't know this, whenever I see glitter from like packages or anything, I put it in a bag and I keep it, save it for later, because sometimes you can't find cool glitter like this in the store. So that's what I use. I have no idea where it came from, probably a package. And that completed this MeSsy Love Chicken Pox Promise I'm Not Contagious makeup look. I hope you guys like it.
Alright guys, that's it for this makeup look right here. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys liked this look and are loving all of my looks, part of my 14 days of love. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are liking the 14 days of love and this look that we got right here. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel right here in the center of the screen and check out all my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys, and I'll see you really soon.